In this video, you'll learn how to join the Udemy affiliate program. By following these steps, you will be able to promote courses and earn commissions effectively. Begin by visiting the Udemy affiliate program page. This page contains important information regarding the commission structure and eligibility requirements. You can find this page by navigating to the Udemy website and scrolling down to the footer, where you will see a link labeled Affiliates. Click on this link to access the affiliate program details. Once you're on the affiliate program page, take your time to review the commission structure and the requirements for joining. Understanding these details will help you determine if this program aligns with your goals. After gathering all necessary information, you can proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to apply through the affiliate network that Udemy partners with. This network manages the affiliate program on behalf of. Typically, you will be required to create an account with this partner platform. Look for a button or link that says join now or sign up. Click on it to begin the account creation process. Fill in the required information, and after submitting your application, it may take some time for your account to be reviewed and approved. During this waiting period, ensure that you check your email for any notifications from the affiliate network regarding your application status. Once approved, you will receive unique affiliate links that are specifically tied to your account. After receiving your unique links, it's time to start promoting Udemy courses. You can share these links on your website, blog, or social media channels. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you will earn a commission. Keep in mind that promoting quality courses that resonate with your audience can enhance your chances of earning commissions. Make sure to track your performance and optimize your promotional strategies accordingly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.